Step 1. Get your phone. Step 2. Watch short video from this site. Step 3. Cash out your money using various payment methods, such as PayPal, and make money online. Now, today's video, I will show you how to earn $100 per day by just watching videos. This is brand new strategy. As you can see, peoples from all over the world are making lots of money from this website just by watching videos. This amount will be sent directly to their bank account. This list is updated every 10 minutes. So that means you're going to be seeing new people and new payments being sent out to individuals all across the world. Let's just scroll down here and see all of these payment proofs. So pay close attention to every steps of this tutorial. But before we dive into the video, hi, I'm Digital Ninja. Here I will be helping you to achieve your goals by showing you how to make money online with step-by-step tutorials of earning money from home. Subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. So whenever I come up with a new and innovative way to make money online, you'll be the first who notified as a result. Make the most money to earn this 100% passive income over and over. All you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the instructions in this tutorial. Now this website is available worldwide, so anyone from anywhere in the world can actually do. You can receive your payments via PayPal money or bank transfer and any other payment methods. This website has paid over $4 million on its users. And this website has over 2,000 reviews on Trustpilot. When you click onto Trustpilot, you can read here the different reviews of all the people around the world that have already tried and used this website. The website is called superpay.me. Before you go onto this website, I want to throw this out to you. Most of the people going to this website thought that we can only make money by doing surveys. But that is not the focus today. So I want you to pay attention because, like I said earlier, most of the people just go onto this website directly and do surveys, which earned them just a few cents. And let me tell you, they end up spending a lot of time doing these troublesome surveys. That is why I will show you a better way for you to earn money on this website when you sign up today. You can get free 0.20 cents as joining bonus. All you have to do is just click on this Join Free Today button right here, and then you will land on the registration page where you will fill up the needed information. Once you've created your account, you get 0.20 cents for free. And the thing that I like about this website is that they have a very fast payment. They pay within 24 hours, and you can receive your money via PayPal or bank transfer. This website also has very low cash out threshold today. They have cash out threshold of $1, as you can see here right now. The first way to earn money is paid surveys. The second way to paid trials and offers. Third one is watching videos. Then the last one is earning more money with a website's referral program. As usual, I will give you the best way to earn money on this website. I personally wouldn't recommend you doing the surveys, but if you'd want to go. For me though, the best way to earn money on this website is to watch videos. The thing that I like about watching videos on this website is that you can increase the number of videos you watch. This means that you can watch more videos and you can earn more money. Instead of watching the videos for 1 minute, you can watch the videos 4 times faster, and you finish them a lot quicker and even watch some more. If you watch videos on multiple devices or watch the videos on multiple accounts, this is where you can earn more money because you don't need to actually watch the videos. You can just run them in the background and do anything else that you'd want or need to do, and you're already earning money just by doing that. That's amazing. Next, I want you to focus on the referral programs because when you look here, you can earn a massive 25% of your referral earnings without you having to do anything just by referring to other people. Those people are actually already making you money. This is where you can make $100 without doing anything. This is very incredible because the website is helping people around the world to earn a lot of money online. And when you share this website to Facebook and even other social media platforms, and when they do surveys, trials, and offers or watching videos, you can make a commission out of it too. So that is a win-win situation. When you look at this side right here, you can see many people around the world are cashing out and making money on this website. Right now, I will show you how you can get referrals for free and on complete autopilot. But real quick, I'm curious as to where my viewers come from, so please tell me your country in the comment section so that I can make videos that everyone can benefit from. Now, get back to the video. I want you to go on to beermoneyforum.com. This forum works very well because a lot of people are going on to this website to learn how to make money online. And when you refer superpay.me to them, they are going to love you because you just show them a way to earn money online. So when they sign up to superpay.me and earn money, you are earning money too. This forum is very active and they've been here for so many years now, and they increase their members every single day. If you want to create a free account, just go on and click on this register button right here. Then you will land on this registration page and just input the information needed. Once you log into your account, I want you to click on this marketplace section right here. When you scroll down below, you can see different posts by different people right here. So for example, when people click on the posting, you can leave a link directly to the website. So when the people click on that link, they will land on the superpay.me website. This is one of the best effective ways to earn money. But one of the things that you must keep in mind is that you don't want to do this every day or your account could get bad. Just put up a post like this around 3 times a week to keep your account safe. I will show you another forum where you can get free referrals. This website is offshorecorptalk.com. When you click on this register button right here, you can register to this website for 100% free so that you can engage in some conversation. As usual, you can engage to make money online forums on this website. There are so many people that are going to this website and looking for opportunities to earn money. For you, my subscribers, I want you to work hard and work smart. Some of the people will go onto this website and just do the surveys, which makes you earn less money. And that is why they say this doesn't work. That's why I want you to watch the video until the end. And don't miss out on the details so that you can earn more money on this website. On this forum, you can now post often. Unlike Beer Money Forum, you can post multiple times in a day. And that is a very amazing. Even when you stop doing this, you can still earn money because your link is still active on the forum sites that I just shared with you. And that is a very good method for you to earn money online and on autopilot. If you want to learn more strategies on how to earn money online the fastest way, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.